Imagine making $300 a day effortlessly, all thanks to AI. Sounds too good to be true. Well, stick around because in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can use DeepSeek AI bot to make money online for free. And no, you don't need any prior experience, technical skills, or a hefty budget to get started. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or just someone looking for extra income, this method is simple, proven, and scalable. So make sure to watch till the end because I'll not only show you how to get started but also reveal some powerful pro tips to maximize your earnings. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is DeepSeek AI bot? So what exactly is DeepSeek AI bot? It's a revolutionary AI tool that can generate high-quality text, create engaging content, automate tasks, and even assist in business strategies. It's like having a personal assistant that works 24/7 to help you grow your income. Whether you're into blogging, freelancing, affiliate marketing, social media, or even starting a digital business, DeepSeek AI bot can streamline your work, save you hours, and skyrocket your earnings. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard or an expert writer. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. Section 2. How to get started with DeepSeek AI bot. Alright, now that you know what it is, let's get started. Follow these simple steps to access DeepSeek AI for free. Keycap 1. Go to the official website. Just open your browser and search for DeepSeek AI bot. Click on the official link. Keycap 2. Sign up for a free account. Use your email or Google account to register. Keycap 3. Explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the available tools, including AI writing, automation features, and business strategy templates. That's it. You're now ready to start using DeepSeek AI for making money. And trust me, the opportunities are endless. Section 3. 5 proven ways to make $300 a day. Now let's talk about the top 5 proven ways to earn $300 per day using DeepSeek AI bot. These methods have been tested and are already making people money. 1. Content writing and blogging. Use DeepSeek AI to generate high-quality blog posts, articles, and SEO-optimized content. Sell these articles on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour. Writers are making $50 to $100 per article, meaning you only need a few to hit your $300 target. Bonus tip. Start your own blog and monetize it with ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. 2. AI-powered YouTube scripts. If you're into YouTube, DeepSeek AI can generate engaging video scripts. Sell these scripts to content creators or use them for your own YouTube channel. Many YouTubers pay $50 to $150 per script, and with just 2 to 3 clients, you can easily reach $300 daily. Pro tip. Offer video descriptions, titles, and SEO-friendly tags as an extra service to increase earnings. 3. Affiliate marketing. DeepSeek AI can write high-converting sales copies, product reviews, and email campaigns. Use it to create content for affiliate marketing on Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Drive traffic to your affiliate links via blogs, social media, and email marketing. Imagine earning commissions passively while AI does the work for you. 4. Social media automation. Struggling with social media content? DeepSeek AI can generate viral posts, captions, and ad copies. Offer this as a service to businesses and charge $50 to $200 per project. Manage multiple clients and scale your earnings exponentially. Pro tip. Use AI to analyze trends and create data-driven content strategies for clients. 5. AI-powered ebooks and PLR content. Turn AI-generated content into ebooks and sell them on Gumroad, Kindle, or your own website. People are making thousands selling digital products with AI-generated content. Create and sell PLR, private label rights, content for others to resell. Bonus tip. Bundle multiple ebooks together for premium pricing. Section 4. Live earning proof and case studies. Still not convinced? Let's check out some real proof of people making money using these methods. As you can see, people are already making serious money with DeepSeek AI. And guess what? You can too. The key is to take action, stay consistent, and keep optimizing your strategies. Section 5: Pro Tips for Maximizing Your Earnings. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips to help you scale your earnings faster. Heavy Checkmark offer custom AI services. Don't just rely on AI-generated content. Edit and personalize it to add more value. Heavy Checkmark target high-paying clients. Platforms like LinkedIn and Medium attract higher-paying clients. Market your services there. Heavy Checkmark leverage multiple income streams. Combine blogging, freelancing, and digital products to maximize your earnings. Heavy Checkmark optimize for SEO and engagement. If you're using AI for content, make sure it's well optimized to rank higher and get more visibility. Heavy Checkmark stay ahead of trends. AI tools evolve fast. Keep learning and adapting to stay competitive. And there you have it. A complete step-by-step guide to making $300 a day with DeepSeek AI bot. Now it's your turn. Try out these methods and start earning today. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI money-making strategies. Have questions or need help? Drop a comment below. I reply to every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.